Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Tumblr password. You will reset your Tumblr password. If you forget your password and you do not remember the password, how do you reset it? So the first thing you need to do is open up the app. Once you open up the app, now what you need to do is click on continue with email. Once you click on continue with email, the next thing you need to do is you're going to write down your email. Write your email there. So you enter your email, click on next. Once you click on never come back to just click on forget password. Then open your email app. Click on open your email app. Just click on it directly. Then it's going to take you to the link that you're going to use to reset your email. So let's wait for it. You can see they have sent the code here. Click on the code. After you click on the code, you have to click on this reset password. Just click on it. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you directly to a browser in which you are going to use to reset your password very easily. So this is it, and it's you ask you to create a new password. So I'm going to create a new password. I'm going to create my own. So you can use their password and you can create your own, the one that you want. I'm going to retype it. After that, click on confirm password. After that, click on set new password. And this is it. It is very simple. Okay, I think it did not match. I'm going to use password, this one. So click on set password. And this is it. Logging in. Automatically you have automatically logging back to your Tumblr very easily. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.